I'm not sure if y'all can hear it, but well, actually, I don't know if I can reverse the camera. But he sure is moving it around. He's kicking the doppler. I don't know if you can hear it, but he's kicking the doppler. Makes me wonder if he ever sleeps. The hell? This is me, I'm moving. So that noise is me. Trying to find his heartbeat, but he keeps moving. There's the heartbeat. Alright, he's gonna get mad because I'm poking him. He doesn't like it. Okay, I just want y'all to hear that. I'm probably too close to the camera anyway. And he's in there moving around, if you can hear that. Okay, bye.